Welcome in the fourth section of our course. In this section, we will be looking at the security and cost monitoring of your virtual private cloud. So we will see how to use AWS CloudWatch. We will see what that tool does it have and what it gives us. We will be using it to monitor our application. Also, we will see what is a cloud trail. That is also a tool available on AWS. We'll be monitoring our EC2 instances using CloudWatch. In the last video in this section, we will be looking at the cost monitoring, because every instance, every tool is costing us money, and we want to monitor it in a good and resilient way. And this is an introduction to AWS CloudWatch. So we will see what that tool have and when we can use it. So we'll see what the AWS CloudWatch is and what can we achieve using it very easily and what it gives us. So CloudWatch is a tool for monitoring and alerts. So it combines those two responsibilities. So CloudWatch is a monitoring service for AWS cloud resources and the applications you run on AWS. You can use Amazon CloudWatch to collect and track metrics, collect and monitor log files, set alarms, and automatically react to changes in your AWS resources. CloudWatch can monitor AWS resources such as EC2 instances, DynamoDB tables, RDSDB instances, and as well a custom metrics generated by your specific application and any log file of your application that your application is generating. You can use CloudWatch to gain system-wide visibility into resource utilization, performance of your application, and operational health. You can use these insights to react and keep your application running smoothly. So let's look at the CloudWatch architecture. So CloudWatch is basically a metrics repository. An AWS service such as Amazon EC2 puts metrics into the repository and you retrieve those statistics based on these metrics. If you put your own custom metrics into the repository, you can retrieve statistics on those metrics as well. You can use metrics to calculate statistics and then present them graphically in the CloudWatch console. For more information of other AWS resources that generate and send metrics to CloudWatch, we can see a CloudWatch reference. Also, we can configure alarm actions to stop, start, or terminate an EC2 instance when certain criteria are met. In addition, you can create alarms that initiate EC2 auto-scaling and simple notification service, so it will send some SMS or email if something goes wrong. AWS cloud computing resources are hosted in highly available data center facilities. To provide additional scalability and reliability, each data center facility is located in a specific geographical area known as region. Each region is designed to be completely isolated from other regions to achieve the greatest possible failure isolation and stability. And Amazon CloudWatch does not aggregate data across regions. So those metrics are completely separated between AWS regions. And this is important to note and keep in mind.